Good morning everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn a question from the Amboss class 10 mathematics book, and the question is from the chapter real numbers. So the question is, find the largest positive integer which divides 615 and 963, leaving a remainder 6 in each case. So that means here we are given two number, one is 615 and another one is 963. So these are the two number, and the question is we have to find a number. By that number, by that unknown number, we can divide 615 and 963. After dividing by the same number, we have to divide 653 and 963, and there should be a remainder of 6. So if we want to elaborate that, like suppose we have 615. So if we divide by that unknown number, so unknown number we have considered as x. So whatever the quotient we will get, it doesn't matter, but there should be a remainder of 6. So again in this 963, so if we divide by the same number x, then also there will be a remainder of 6. Then what is this x is? So we have to find this x. That means we have to divide this 615 and 963. After dividing, we should get remainder 6, and we have to find that number. So there will be so many number which can divide 615 and 963. The number should be same and the number should be the highest one. So there are so many same number which can divide 615 and 963, but we have to find the largest one. So anyway, first we will take this remainder out. Remainder, since remainder 6 is given here, so from both the number we will take this remainder out, and let's see how much we get. So 615 is there, so minus, if we take the remainder 6 out, then it will be equal to 615 minus 6, so it's 609. So we are getting 609. So this is one of the number. And from 963, if we subtract 6, so from there also we have to take 6 out. So 963 minus 6, so we'll get 13 minus 6, it is 7, 5, 957. So 957. So from these two number, we have to divide by an unknown number, and the remainder should be 0. So by what type of number we can divide this two number? So if the remainder comes 0, then only we can say that these numbers are divisible by the same numbers. So now suppose we have 4 and 8. If we divide this 4 with 1, it is divisible. With 2 also it is divisible. With 4 also it is divisible. Then if we talk about number 8, so number 8 is divisible by 1, 2, 4, 8. So these numbers are known as factors. So from these factors, 1 is also common, 2 is also common, 4 is also common. But the thing is, we need to find the largest positive integer. So which is the largest one here? That is 4. So 4 is the answer in this case. So in the same way we need to find here, and the process will be a little different, because in this chapter we are mostly dependable on Euclid's division algorithm. So by the process of Euclid's division algorithm, we'll solve this question. So anyway, the number is 609 and 957. So if we compare these two number, so 957 is bigger, so we'll write 957 first. Is equal to, we need to write the smaller one here. So since this Euclid's division algorithm is quite similar to long division method, so on the right side we'll do long division method also. Like we need to write the bigger one first, 957, then we have to divide by the smaller one. So if we divide, we will get 1 time 609 here. 17 minus 9, it is 8. So 4 minus 0 is 4, 9 minus 6 is 3. So here the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 348. So here since the quotient will be multiplied and the remainder will be 8. Now this number will come here, 609 is equal to, then again 348 will come here, so 348 into, so 691 will come here, 609 will come here. If we divide, we'll get one time, that is 348. So 9 minus 8 it is 1, 10 minus 4 it is 6, 5 minus 3 it is 2. So here 1 times in plus 261. Then again this 348 will come here. So we have to keep on doing till we get 0 as a remainder. So equal to 261 will come here. So in the same way 348 will come here. So if we divide, we will get 1 time, so it is 261. And 8 minus 1 is 7, 14 minus 6 is 8. So quotient is 1. So into 1 plus remainder is 87. 87 here. Then this 261 will come here. And the remainder 87 will come here. Like this 261 will go there, 261. Then we have to divide by 87. So 87, if we try by 3, 3 7s are 21, remain 2, 3 8s are 24, and 2 26. So if we give 3 times, we will get the same number. So 3 times 261 and the remainder is 0. So if the remainder is 0, then we need to stop. And the quotient is 3 here. So 87 into 3 plus the remainder is 0. So if the remainder is 0, then we don't need to do anymore. So here we need to end up. And the line where we get 0 as a remainder, in the same line, the number which is right after the equal sign is the HCF. So here, since this is the HCF, so this one can be considered as the largest positive integer, which divides 615 and 963, and the remainder is 6. So therefore, the largest positive integer is 87. So this is the way we solve this question.